This is a sample of the new Moissanite. It's called Forever One, and it's DEF in color. It's much wider. It also has fewer inclusions, so it's very difficult to identify by sight. When identifying the stone with the tester, it's first important that you wipe down and remove any body oil that may be present on the stone's table. Now first I'm going to use the Precision multi-tester. As you'll notice, it reacted as diamond. Now I'll use the series dual tester. Again, it reacted as diamond. This is the new GEMORO lapis tester. Like the others, it reacted as diamond. Here's the new GEMORO Testerossa. With our technology,
Moissanite.
we can identify it every time.
Moissanite.
Now I'd like to show you some additional testers and show you how they react when testing the low conductivity moissanite from Charles & Covard. Now this is the Ors Nelson diamondite. As you can see, it reacts as diamond. This is the Precision Multi-Tester 3. Now this is the latest and greatest Adamas tester from Precision. This overpriced tester costs $400, and as you can see, it will be fooled by this moissanite. Diamond.